Wala ka bang budget for website? Wala kang budget for mag-hire ng developer? Don't worry. On this video, turuan kita paano maka-build ng sarili mong website without coding and connected na siya sa isang super powerful na CRM. So I'm talking about building a website sa HubSpot. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester. I'm a Filipino business tech advocate, and on this channel we talk about a lot of business tools, business software that will help find the best tools, AI softwares that can help your business. If you are a freelancer or a work from home employee, then these videos can help you. Hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get on with the video. On this video, turuan kita mag-build ng isang website using HubSpot CMS. So CMS stands for Content Management System, but typically these are softwares that we use to build websites like WordPress. If you're familiar with Wix, website builders like Joomla and Drupal, if not sure if you're familiar, these are CMSs. And marami pang iba-ibang klase ng CMSs. Squarespace, Webflow, yan yung some of the top and more popular na mga CMSs. And they're typically built para makagawa ka ng websites kahit wala kang coding experience. Pero what we'll focus on today is yun nga, yung HubSpot, which is my expertise. I've been using HubSpot for the last 10 years. I've helped a lot of companies na mag-deploy nito. And today, if you want to explore and start learning HubSpot, then this is the right channel for you. Sa end ng video na to, papakita ko sa iyo kung paano ka pwedeng magkaroon ng website na functional na, mayroon ng contact form, and pwede na siyang mag-save yung data niya sa back-end ng CRM, which is another topic on itself. Yung CRM naman is Customer Relationship Management Tool. So I have a couple of videos about that on this channel. You can check that out as well. Link na rin sa description box below. Alright, let's get on sa ating computer. Share screen ako para makita niyo yung ating tool. First thing you need to do is to actually go to HubSpot's website. So, go to hubspot.com. Yung unang pakita sa inyo is paano ba gumawa ng account. Kasi, syempre, kailangan mo namang mag-login, di ba? Make sure you have an email. Pero hindi ko na papakita yung buong setup nito kasi may account na ako. Pero papakita ko lang sa inyo saan ba kayo dapat mag-login. So, go to hubspot.com and you get started free. Not get demo kasi you have to talk to someone kapag nag-get demo ka. So, get started free. Yan. Nakita nyo, meron na akong user. So, create new user na lang. So, just go through with this process. Kung gagamit ka ng Apple, ng Google, ng Microsoft, just fill out all the information and you'll get there. Alright? That should be easy enough. Once you have an account, ang unang bubungan sa'yo ay yung, itong part na to, ng HubSpot. Once you're here, you'll see that there's a menu here. I have another video sa walkthrough ng HubSpot. Hindi ko na siya discuss dito. Pero ang importante sa ngayon, since we're talking about website, dito nyo siya makikita. If you go content, and then you'll see website pages. Now, of course, dito, meron ng laman, no? Tanggalin natin to. Actually, hindi naman natin to kailangan eh. So, tanggalin ko siya para makita nyo yung starting point kapag nag-sign up kayo ng bagong tool. Yan. So, as you notice, si HubSpot, meron siyang notice muna bago i-delete. So, ito makikita ninyo kapag fresh pa yung account ninyo. Hope nakaka-follow kayo na. So, once you're there, first thing you need to do, makikita nyo naman dito yung step-by-step. Create a website to grow your business. So, una, kailangan mo ng theme. Then, pwede mo na siyang i-customize. Tapos, yun. I have to put a form. Usually, a contact us form. And then, you have the website. Start natin sa pagkuha ng theme. Sa HubSpot, maraming ready-built na themes. So, duplicate ko lang tong page para babalik tayo doon. No? So, meron siyang marketplace. Yan. HubSpot Marketplace. And dito, pwede kang makakuha ng mga templates, mga themes. Ayan. So, click mo lang yung themes. And maraming categories dito. Business type, page types. Of course, prior ka magkuha ng theme, dapat naplano mo na ba yung gusto mong gawing website. For the purpose of this tutorial, pipili na lang muna tayo just to show you how this works, no? Importante dito, makapili ka ng theme na sakto dun sa business na gagawin mo ng website. Or kung sarili mo siyang business, for the meantime, mahalaga muna, you know how this works, no? I'm not gonna overthink it. This Sprocket Rocket, ito, madalas na namin nagagamit to. So, pwede mo siyang preview. Ayan, magandang website naman siya. Ang mahalaga is you know how to use it. So, kapag napili mo na siya, view details mo siya, you'll now see an install button. So, if you install it, install for free, it'll take a couple of seconds. So, you'll be asked, gusto mo, install na siya, gusto mo siyang set sa my active theme and start building my site. Okay, set na natin siya. So, tawagin muna natin siya home. Siya yung gawin nating home. By the way, one thing you'll notice dito, meron na siyang default na HS sites. Ibig sabihin, dito muna mapupunta yung mga gagawin mong pages. Pero yung live na website, lalagay mo siya sa actual custom domain. So, that's probably another tutorial that I'll have to do. Pero yung process kasi na yon, you have to buy your domain name sa HostGator, sa mga domain provider. Kami sa GoDaddy kami bumibili. But doesn't matter. What's important is that you can build your website for now, pero later on, pwede mo na siyang i-transfer sa active live na domain. Making sense? If that doesn't make sense, just leave it for now. What's important now is paano kayo magbe-build ng website. Alright, so now, let's call it home. Let's create that page. What you see here, yung pinili nating template, meron ng mga ready-made pages. Ayan, meron ng homepage. So, I think it would just make sense na piliin natin to. Okay, let's click that. Just like that, meron ka na agad functional at napakagandang website. Now, you might be saying, so paano Lester, pare-pareho tayo ng website, pare-pareho ng itsura. That's where a lot of the people na akala nila kapag nag-template ka, magkakapare-parehas na. Why? You just get a structure of the website. Pero it doesn't mean na yung content niya, yung design niya, yung images niya, yung colors niya, pare-parehas. Because you'll change this, all of this. Pero magaling nito, wala ka nang i-code and ready-made na yung website niya. Does that make sense? So, pag preview natin to, new tab, this literally is a working site na maganda na, functional, and best of all, it is connected to your CRM. As promised, gusto natin, may working na form na siya. Okay, so what you'll just do, okay, just go back. You'll see na, ayun na yung isang page mo. Let's just do 2 pages. Kasi, we'll do yung about page o kaya yung services page, tapos yung contact us page. Right, so just hit create. Piliin na natin yung about niya. Kailangan pala natin lagyan ng page name para ma-publish natin siya. So, ito yung about page. You'll see automatically nag-change siya to about. And pwede mo na siya i-publish. Yung kanina palang home, hindi pa na-publish. So, edit page. So, lagyan din natin ang page title. Home. Actually, pwede mo tanggalin yung home dito kasi ito yung home page eh. Kasi yung index page. So, publish lang natin siya. Okay, tingnan natin yung website natin. Now, you'll notice, wala yung mga pages dito. O yung home, about. Sige, gawin muna natin yung last page na natin gawin, which is yung contact us page para ma-demo ko din yung how the contact form works. So, dito na yung ating about. Update. Then, last but not the least, gawin na natin yung contact us page. Obviously, maraming pages yung pwede natin i-build. Pero, for ano naman tayo, for learning purposes. So, select natin yung template na yan. Tingnan natin kung ano yung laman niya na. So, let's call this one contact. Ayan, may ready-made na form na din siya. So, okay siya. So, lagyan din natin ng page title, contact, then publish. Again, going back, wala yung 3 pages dito. Kailangan ma-navigate natin siya. So, sa HubSpot, you'll have to go to settings and down here, you'll find navigation menus. Ayan. So, yung create na tayo yung navigation. So, tawagin natin tong main nav. Create menu. And, i-add na natin yung mga pages. So, let's call this home. Tapos, siya yung home page. Add menu. Add page link. Ito naman, about. Let's call it about. And let's call this contact. This will be our contact page. Just hit save. Part of the challenge is knowing how the template works. Select menu, main nav, tapos publish. And mostly naman ito talagang kailangan mo lang i-explore yung tool, no? So, in this case, ayan, gumagana na yung home natin, yung about. And the whole point naman nitong video nito is to show you how you can build a full website. Of course, there's still a lot of work to be done dito, no? Pero maganda kasi dito, all of these are drag and drop. You just click it and you can edit things. So, ayan. If you want to edit the photos, if you want to edit the form, if you click that, then you can definitely edit them. So, we'll do some more videos to show you the full functionalities of different areas of the website builder. Pero what's important here is how you get started, no? And as promised, itong contact form, it should work already. So, samplean ko siya. So, Lester Karaan. And so, yun na ito ay nag-work. Lagay muna tayo ng yung email ko. Gawin natin siyang test. Yan, test. And then, download now. So, yung data na yon dapat pumunta na sa CRM. There you go. That's it. It's working. Alright. So, again, we definitely gonna need a lot more time, a lot more, discussions on how to really build a fully functioning website. Kasi obviously, you should not build a website in just 10 minutes, no? You have to discuss with the client, or if it's your website, then you have to plan it in advance. Pero importante na you have a tool that will not be hard to use. Pero if this is all too much for you, You know, some people have. We can also help you build websites, by the way. There's still an advantage building it by actually coding it. Mas magaan siya, flexible siya, mas marami tayong magagawa, especially kung web application yung kailangan mo. Hindi mo naman kailangan na nasa CRM siya. You can actually check our website, flyhubdigital.com, or you can reach out to us on this video, comment here. We can customize your website. You can even use HubSpot for your website para talagang mas mapalaki natin agad siya if you need to. Alright, so I hope this helps. If you're interested with these kinds of videos, make sure to give us a follow, subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.